One more thing before I wrap it up here, this session. Yeah, of course, you can actually, for the owner, you cannot edit another person's reply. Yeah, you can actually delete the whole conversation. Here, you can edit. This is what I mean. You can edit. You can edit the whole thing if you wish to. Yeah, watch what's gonna happen here. So maybe you want to add extra information. The latest version is 25 3.0. You want to add this extra information here. It will not affect the file. If you want to change the file, you can change the file. It's to only affect the text. As you can see here, all the files are intact, except only when you want to change the image. You can do the upload. Anything you do here, replace this. Let's say you wish to choose, let's see, this only one instead of three. So I wish to change only the images. All these three will be gotten rid of. So it's a live update. So it's as simple as that. So yeah, you can edit, you can delete. Let's say you wish, you can return. Okay, let's see, return. Yes, add reply. I made a mistake here. You want to delete this. Yeah, maybe you don't really want this. Let's delete. Delete it. Actually, you're about to delete your reply. About to delete your reply. If you are sure of your action, you can delete it. So it's going to redirect you back. So that's gone. As simple as that. With all the files included. So this owner may, if you wish to edit his own, anybody can edit his own. It's a powerful feature. Your DM will help you do a real-time conversation if you so wish. Alright, on to the next one, which is your contact form. See you there.